Hello friends, we are here with our next video. It is on sequence of words. In this sequence of words, we will have some words given to us and we have to arrange them so that we can make a meaningful sentence out of them. Before we begin, if you are new, please subscribe and hit the notifications button so that you get notified whenever we upload a new video. We will begin with the directions. In each of the following questions, 6 words are given, which are denoted by A, B, C, D, E and F. By using all the 6 words, each only once, you have to frame a meaningful and grammatically correct sentence. The correct order of the words is your answer. Choose from the 5 alternative the one having the correct order of words and mark it as your answer on the answer sheet. मैं समझा देता हूँ. 6 शब्द दे रखें और उनका कोड है A, B, C, D, E और F. हर शब्द का एक बार इस्तेमाल करना है और हर शब्द का एक बार इस्तेमाल करके एक सार्थक मतलब अर्थपूर्ण और सही ग्रामर वाला सेंटेंस बनाना है. फिर जो करेक्ट ऑर्डर ऑफ वर्ड्स है, जैसे अगर A, B, C, D, E, F इसी ऑर्डर में वर्ड्स को लगाने से यदि सेंटेंस बनता है तो यही आपका आंसर होगा और उसी को हम आंसर शीट पे मार्क करेंगे. अब पहले 5 सवाल हम डिटेल में देखेंगे ताकि हमें आदत हो जाए, फिर हम थोड़ी स्पीड में चलेंगे. The first 5 questions we will deal in detail. After that we will increase the speed. Question number 1. Had examination I thorough a medical. Now first you need to make a sentence. Don't worry about the codes given here first make a sentence. पहले इन शब्दों का इस्तेमाल करके meaningful sentence बनाइए. If you are new to this, then just write down the words. यदि आपको इसमें दिक्कत आ रही है तो पहले शब्दों को लिख लें, फिर धीरे धीरे उनकी सेंटेंस की मीनिंग बनाने की कोशिश करें. जैसे यहां पर ये सेंटेंस होगा, I had a thorough medical examination. ठीक है. अब जिस वर्ड का जो ऑर्डर था उसे उसके नीचे लिख लें. जैसे यहां पर जैसे आई का कोड था C, हैड का A का E, थरो का D, मेडिकल का F और एग्जामिनेशन का B. अब इसी को ऑर्डर में लिखते हैं तो हमारे पास क्या आता है, C, A, E, D, F, B. अब जहां हमें ये कोड दिखेगा वही आंसर होगा. और ये कोड कहां दिखता है हमें, ये कोड दिखता है A. We see that code in option A, so option A will be the answer. Now we go to question number 2. Shall payment make tomorrow the we? Now when we make a sentence out of these words, we get we shall make the payment tomorrow. हम कल पेमेंट करेंगे. So when we put the letters in the code in the order F, A, C, E, B, D, we get our answer. The answer is D, F, A, C, E, B, D. We look at 3. Any anxiety yourself free make from. When we put them in the sentence, we get make yourself free from any anxiety. Now when we put the letter codes on each word, we get E, C, D, F, A, B. We write it down. E, C, D, F, A, B. This, whichever option contains this, will be the answer. The answer for third is E. E, C, D, F, A, B. Now we look at fourth question. Costly is imported the machine very. Again we follow the same procedure. First we make the sentence. We get the imported machine is very costly. Now we apply the letter codes. The imported machine is very costly, and we get DCEBFA. We write it down, DCEBFA, and whichever option contains this is the answer. Since the option C contains DCEBFA, it is our answer. We move to question number 5. Course start the schedule will as. We put these words in a sentence. The course will start as scheduled. We put the letter codes on these words. CAEBFD. Write it down. BFD. And whichever option contains this answer will be our answer. The answer for fifth is A. CAEBFD. अब मुझे लगता है आपको आदत हो गई होगी. पहले 6 शब्द लें, उन शब्दों को अरेंज करें, अरेंज करके कोड लिखें, कोड को अलग से लिख लें और उस कोड को ऑप्शन में ढूंढें और फिर ऑप्शन मार्क कर लें. Now we go to 6, and I hope you have gotten the hang of it. So we will start fast with it. I will simply tell you what the sentence is. You have to do it yourself, where you arrange them in the codes and find the answer. I will also tell you which is the answer. But most importantly, for this type of questions, what you need is a general sense of English, how sentences are made. And the best way to do is read English newspapers, watch English movies or English news, or read English novels, wherever you can get English sentences, because ultimately questions are solved by theory. We will begin with the question number 6. Is the damaged car badly? The car is damaged badly. B, D, A, C, E. The answer is, now both of these answers are correct. The car is damaged badly would have also been correct, but the option is not given. B, D, A, C, E is not here. What is here is the car damaged badly? A, B, D, C, E. A, B, D, C, E is here. You have also to see that some questions will be there which will have 2 proper orders. For example, the interrogative sentences will often have this kind of, where you can make the sentence either way. What you have to do is look in the options. If it's there, it's the answer. If it is not, it's not the answer. Move to question number 7. Serve country we are must. We must serve our country. C, E, A, D, B. The option is C, E, A, D, B. Question number 8. Clock down the has run. The clock has run down. CADEB. The answer is E. CADEB. Question number 9. Listens never anybody he to. He never listens to anybody. D, B, A, E, C. The answer is A. D, B, A, E, C. Question number 10. Lightly Gopal the took matter. Gopal took the matter lightly. B, D, C, E, A. We look for B, D, C, E, A. The answer for 10th is C. Question number 11. Name asked they me my. They asked me my name. C, B, D, E, A. C, B, D, E, A. The answer for 11th is A. Question number 12. Never mistakes they forget. They never forget their mistakes. C, A, E, D, B. C, A, E, D, B. The answer is C. Question number 13. Wishes accept please best hour. Please accept our best wishes. C, B, E, D, A. The answer for 13th is E. None of these, because the option is not given here. Question number 14. The answer to 14th is their luggage forgot our we forgot our luggage there. So for we forgot our luggage there, the code will be E C D B A. E C D B A is given here. Answer 14th is C. 15th. They whatever do does they he. Now this is important because we can make this sentence two ways. He does whatever they do. वह वही करता है जो वे करते हैं. They do whatever he does. वे वही करते हैं जो वो करता है. Here the important thing, the deciding factor, निर्णायक चीज होगी कि ऑप्शन दे रखा है या नहीं. Is there option for that sentence or not? The option for he does whatever they do will be ECADB. Now ECADB is not given in the option, so it's going to be other way around. They do whatever he does. DBAEC. DBAEC is given here. The answer is A. Question number 16. Whatever to want do you. Now again it can be two ways. It can be seen two ways. You do whatever you want to. जो तुम्हारा मन करे वो करो. Whatever you want to do. Other way. But options for which one is there? An option is given. Do whatever you want to. The answer is D. The D can also be a possible answer, but the answer is C. Whatever you want to do. So the answer is given C. There will also be some questions where you just have to hope that you are right. Question number 17. You to we are grateful. We are grateful to you. So the options are C, D, E, B, A. C, D, E, B, A. The answer is D. Question number 18. Go, let now us back. Let us go back now. B, D, A, E, C. B, D, A, E, C. The answer to 18th is E. Question number 19. Us of present were all. All of us were present. E, P, A, D, C. E, B, A, D, C. The answer to 19th is B. Question number 20. Your to seat immediately return. Return to your seat immediately. E, B, A, C, D. E, B, A, C, D. The answer to 20 is C. Question number 21. Was kite Rama making blue? Was kite Rama making blue? Rama was making blue kite. C, A, D, E, B. C, A, D, E, B. The answer to 21 is C. Question number 22. This sum is more difficult. This C, E, B, A, D. C, E, B, A, D. The answer is C, E, B, A, D. The answer to 22 is A. Question number 23. Swimming is fond Prabir of. Prabir is fond of swimming. The answer would be D, B, C, E, A. D, B, C, E, A. The answer to 23 is B. Question number 24. Sold my I have bicycle. I have sold my bicycle. C, D, A, B, E. C, D, A, B, E. The answer to 24th is A. Question number 25. Mad poor the became man. The poor man became mad. C, B, A, D, A. C, B, E, D, A. The answer is E. C, B, E, D, A. For 25th, the answer will be E. Question number 26. Question number 27th. time should on you there reach. You should reach there on time. DFB DBF you should reach. DBF CAE. DBF ECA. DBF ECA. The answer to 27th is C. Question number 28. The has correctly filled form she. She has filled the form correctly. F B D A E C. F B D A E C. The answer to 28th is B. Question number 29. Saturday we on not are closed. We are not closed on Saturday. B E D F C A. B E D F C A. Answer to question number 29 is E. Question number 30. Letter to his delivered was me. His letter was delivered to me. C A E D B F. C A E D B F. The answer to question number 30 is D. We have finished 30 questions. Now, since we need to finish our course in due time, I will speed up the questions a little bit. They will not be as detailed. Have bag I new purchased a? The answer would be I have purchased a new bag. Now you can put the orders yourself. Now another thing is that you have to practice using video. If you don't have the books, pause the video, look at the question, take a rough note and answer the question. I will tell the answer afterwards and then you can play the video. While you are watching a video or taking online classes, you get in the habit of making notes. It will help you to remember. I have purchased a new bag. Next, medicine gave the doctor him. The doctor gave him a medicine. The doctor gave him a medicine. For answer question number 31, the answer is A. For question number 32, the answer is E. Question number 33. Question number 33. Captain the became team Sachin of. Sachin became the captain of team. Sachin became captain of the team. The answer for 33 is B. Question number 34. Decided to flat his cell he. He decided to sell his flat. The answer to this is D. Question number 35. Tomorrow Mohan book will that read. Mohan will read that book tomorrow. The answer to 35 is E. Question number 36. House by was Suresh the built. The house was built by Suresh. The answer to 36 is E. Was television Ganpat watching a program? Ganpat was watching a television program. The answer to this is question number 37. A. Ganpat. C. A. D. E. B. F. C. A. D. E. B. F. For 37, the answer is A. Question number 38. Together, try, live, must, they, to. They must try to live together. E. D. B. F. A. C. E. D. B. F. C. A. The answer is E. Question number 39. Neighbors face greet smiling with a. Greet neighbors with a smiling face. The answer is C. A. E. F. D. B. In the options, the answer is 39 is C. Question number 40. Saw recorded their name, his, he. He saw his name recorded there. F. A. E. D. B. C. B. The answer to 40 is B. F. A. E. D. B. C. Question number 41. Don't do to what we know. We don't know what to do. E. A. F. D. C. B. E. A. F. D. C. B. The answer to 41 is D. Question number 42. Problems 2 people want without travel. People want to travel without problems. C. D. B. F. E. A. C. D. B. F. E. A. The answer to 42 is A. 43. Knife the with string cut a. Cut the string with a knife. E. B. D. C. F. A. E. B. D. C. F. A. The answer to 43 is B. E. D. B. C. A. F. The answer to 43 given in the book is B, but it should be D. E. Cut the string with a knife. The answer is D. Question number 44. Played will cricket them be by. Cricket will be played by them. C. B. E. A. F. D. C. B. E. A. F. D. The answer to 44th is B. The answer to 44th is B. Question number 45. Known there are for integrity people. People are known for their integrity. F C A D B E. The answer is E. Question number 46. Are in sentences not these order? These sentences are not in order. E C A D B F. E C A D B F. The answer to 46th is C. Question number 47. Should of make us effort all. All of us should make effort. F B D A C E. F B D A C E. The answer to 47th is A. Question number 48. 48. Two agreed differences there sink they. They agreed to sink their differences. F B A E D C. F B A E D C. The answer to 48th is B. Question number 49. Our the destroyed army village invading. The invading army destroyed our village. B F D B F D C A E. B F D C A E. The answer to 49th is E. Question number 50. Question number 50. Disapproved of mother love her there. Her mother disapproved of their love. E C A B F D. E C A B F D. The answer to 50 is D. Question number 51. Something you have asked I to. I have something to ask you. E C A F D B.